Hello, hello, T-Rex here. T-Rex here. Why did I call myself T-Rex? Anyway, this is a review. You haven't done those in like 8 or 7 months. So, Playmates Godzilla review, Heat Ray, 2021. Look at this boy. That's the rest of my collection. You probably might. Okay, that grew a lot. Yes, it did grow. It's invading my room, and I cannot escape from it. Soon there will be Godzillas all over my room. It will be the dinosaurs all over again, because there's dinosaurs all over the room, and there's also a dog. I can't say dog. Wow. Anyway, before I go on, let me do this very quietly. Yeah, I did it. Anyway, I'm just going to take out its accessory. There. Accessory. Anyway, we'll be learning how to put on the accessory because I didn't know until I got it 2 months later. I figured it out watching a Playmates Godzilla review. Yeah, I'm kind of embarrassed. It didn't say in the box, I don't think. I shredded the box as soon as I got it. But like, okay. Anyway, we are here to review sculpture, like paint, and like articulation. So let's begin. So first we're going to start with articulation because that's pretty much the only thing I know. Anyway, so articulation. Jaw, go hinge. There's a hinge here in the jaw. Go up, down. And stop it in the middle. His head is very small. That's what I don't like. Then swivel. A rotation thing that goes all the way around. I mean, it could go all the way around if it wasn't for his chunky thigh in the way. Or, I don't know. This part, the leg. And then, same thing with the other thing. Sorry, camera. Foot. Anyway, for the leg, same thing. Other leg, same thing. Then up here, his tail, solid over here. And then there's a ball joint. I can go diagonal, finally. I can move it around. And I can move it up and down, side to side, diagonal. Oh my god, I'm happy. Anyway, I noticed that there's like a little swivel here. Okay. I mean, it barely works, but like, barely noticeable that the Godzilla has it's moving its head like. Do you notice that? Yeah. And it has like that line part. It's a mystery, I guess, anyway. Now we're going to sculpture because that's the second thing I know. It looks accurate, that's all I'm gonna say. The head is really small, but the legendary Godzilla head is small, so yeah. Paint. It's just black. White on teeth, gray on nails, and gray on claws, and what are the claws for toes? Toe claws. Nah, that doesn't sound right. Toenails, that's what I'm gonna call it. Black everywhere. Translucent thing. Light blue paint. I said paint. Paint. With a little bit of a thing, like lighter, super light. Going around, like in between. and the white on the teeth. And the inside, I'm pretty sure, yeah, there's a bit of pink right there. I just said all the colors. I'm supposed to say the quality of the paint, but I don't know that. So, anyway, this is his accessory, and no, it's not a piece of rock candy. I don't know what rock candy is. It looks like that. Anyway, it's his atomic breath. What is this? Why is there a hole here? Look, I can literally put my finger in that. Why is there a hole here? I don't know. I mean, why is there a hole here? Here. I don't know. Why this little bump is here. That kind of ruins everything. It's obviously. So, you know, it's for magical effect. So you put it to the side. And then the atomic breath kind of leaks out. Like in the movie. No, I'm just kidding. So, I don't know if you see it because my lighting is bad. But there's a hole in his mouth. What you do is stick the little bulbous part. And then you... There, done. Okay, bye.